Ever wonder how some people seem to effortlessly replace their 9-to-5 incomes? They're not baking new cakes from scratch. They're wisely picking up the best ones from the bakery. Sweet, huh? In the world of online businesses, this means buying a profitable website. But how do you find one? And how do you avoid spending thousands on an online business that isn't actually profitable? If you want to replace your income by buying an already profitable online business, then tap the like button and let's get into it. And by the way, thank you for hitting the like button. It means a lot and I really do appreciate it. I see it every day. A lot of people focus on the wrong thing when it comes to purchasing an online business. But towards the end of the video, I'll share with you the one thing that you should focus on. So stick around so that you don't make a mistake that could ruin your goal to replace your income. If you're buying an online business to get a financial return and replace your income, you better look at the data of the business. You can't afford not to, right? You need to buy a real business that actually is useful to real people, that has systems already set up, that already spits out profit every month. That's the target. That's what can replace your income. The rest of the video lays out some guiding ideas for you to use along your journey to replacing your income. Your income's crystal ball. Google Analytics is like your favorite detective show, but for your potential income. It gives you clues about where the website's traffic is coming from, how long they stay, and what they're doing. If a business isn't keen on sharing their Google Analytics, aka GA, it's like mystery with missing pages. It's a bad sign for sure. Here's an insight I want to share with you. A consistently high traffic with low bounce rates usually means good audience engagement. So for sites that you're looking at, request full Google Analytics access. Look for red flags like sudden traffic drop, which might indicate penalties from Google. We'll go back to replacing your income in a sec, but I want to ask you, what is keeping you from replacing your income? What obstacles are you hitting? Let me know in the comments below. Some online businesses operate like those all-you-can-eat buffets. Looks great on the outside, but confusing once you're inside. You want to know the business model. Is it drop shipping, affiliate marketing, subscription-based, advertising? A subscription-based model, like monthly software licenses, can offer stable recurring income, which is super nice. Here's an action step for you. List out all the revenue streams of the business that you're looking at. Calculate the potential monthly earnings and match it with your income replacement goal. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. If a website claims to make 10 grand a month, but only spends $50 on content, it's like expecting a goldfish to win the Olympics. It's not going to happen. It's not likely. Established businesses usually have a documented history of profit and loss. This will give you a clear picture of its financial health. Ask for the last 2 to 3 years of financial statements. This will show you trends, seasonality, and the potential income and expenses of the business. A young website might look flashy, might have so much opportunity, which every seller says, but it's the older sites that have weathered Google's mood swings and market shifts. They're like the grandmasters of the online chessboard. For example, Flippa or Empire Flippers list sites with a proven track record, highlighting their age and profitability. So try this action step. Filter your search to websites that are at least 2 years old for stability purposes. Big disclaimer, don't buy an opportunity. Think of growth opportunities as buried treasure. Maybe the current owner didn't create the best articles or leverage social media, or perhaps they ignored email marketing. For example, a site selling eco-friendly products with some good email marketing could sell more from customers who've already made a purchase. So here's an action step. List the marketing channels that are already working for the site that you're considering. Research your competitors. What have they done to upsell their existing customers? This kind of work will show you what could be. Risks in online business? They're like hidden fees. Nobody likes them, but you better know they exist. So here's an insight. A business dependent on a single source of traffic, like Facebook ads or even Google, is riskier than one with diversified traffic. So here's an action step. Map out the potential risks and consider ways to reverse those risks for your business. Consider diversifying traffic sources and revenue streams. Risk is the number one thing to focus on when evaluating an online business. If you can't find risks, you can't find a reason not to buy, then that could be a good business. There are so many potential risks when you are buying an online business. To cut out the complexity of due diligence, get our Due Diligence Framework that we have used to help us and our clients make millions and save millions of dollars when buying online businesses. This framework takes the guesswork out of buying a business. Check it out in the description below. Just like you wouldn't embark on a treasure hunt without a map, diving into the world of online businesses requires specific tools. For example, SEMrush or Ahrefs can give insights into a website's search engine performance. So here's an action step. Invest in or request access to essential tools to verify data and gain deeper insights into the online business that you're considering. Then have someone look over what you find. If someone else has looked at hundreds of sites, why wouldn't you ask them what they see with a site? It's a no-brainer. Our due diligence framework lays out the tools you'll need, and this is helpful, when to use them in your due diligence. I highly suggest having someone else who has bought a website look over your work so that they can keep you from making a mistake that is really hard to recover from. Buying a profitable online business isn't just a transaction. It's a strategy to replace your current income. Imagine the freedom to set your hours, be your boss, and best of all, skip that morning commute. Having an asset that you own and are growing is a great feeling. So here's an action step. Set a clear monthly income goal and go look at one online business. Hey YouTube watcher, what's up? It's William Griffin. And if you have watched this video up until now, please smash the like button, and I'm glad you're liking the video. Also, thank you so much for watching, and I hope your day is going marvelously. Also, I want to ask you, please consider subscribing, because my commitment and exploration on YouTube is about to explode. More amazing content, more engagement, more surprise and delight. This is the time to subscribe. I hope you consider it, and I hope I see you on the next video.